Hello everyone. Okay, in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to share the PayPal or our PayPal link to receive money from someone in just a few steps. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so guys, if like if you guys like someone's wanted to, send you a money through PayPal, then this video is for you. Okay, so what we're gonna do, guys, is we need to go to our PayPal account. Okay, so once you already log in your account, you just have to go to send and request at the top, guys, on PayPal website. And this, one of the way to request to receive money from someone is someone wanted to send you 100 or 1000 peso. You just have to click this request button and then request a payment. And the other way to do that, guys, to share our PayPal link, we just need to go to this settings icon. Okay, this one, guys, and you just have to copy this link below of your under your name. You just have to this paypal.me slash can't hamot and send it to someone that wanted to send you money. Okay, so that's it, guys. So I hope you enjoy and learn from these quick tutorials, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials on PayPal. Thank you.